Hello guys, in today's class we are going to discuss the accounting equation second part, that is liabilities. As we have discussed in the last class about the assets, let's understand something about the liabilities. Okay, as we have discussed already liabilities in our basic terminologies of accountancy, then even let's repeat. Okay, liabilities are the creditors claims on the assets. Okay, what is liability? Liabilities are the creditors claim on the assets. Whatever the assets will be there in our business, on that creditors have a claim. Here they this is a kind of responsibilities of organization towards the creditors which we are has to pay. Okay, creditors are the people or companies to whom a business owes us something like money. Okay, what is the creditors? When I say the liability, we need to understand the creditors. Creditors are the people or companies, okay, to whom a business owes us something like money. Okay, so as a business is nothing but business is surrounded with each or many other factors: creditors, suppliers, okay, customers, employees, investors. Okay, so from creditors are the people from, if in our company we are in need of money, okay, for the investment or any business activities, or there are some xyz person, he will come and he will approach and he will pay the money, okay, or he will lend the money to us, okay, with kind of interest, with kind of return. So whatever the amount, okay, creditors amount or creditors are there, that people of or companies to whom the business owes us something, okay, in return we have to give a return to them, because already as a creditors they have paid a money, so in return we have to pay the same. Okay, so for that we can say creditors. So when are the creditors, it's a kind of liability to the business organization. Next, here are some types of liabilities that a company might owe. Okay, which are the different types of liabilities for that company is liable to pay? First is notes payable. Okay, this is a promissory note on which we, by writing the notes, we might have received the money from the outsiders. Next, wages payable. Any outstanding wages will be there which we have to pay the workers, that is outstanding wages even will be the part of liability, or I can say the kind of liabilities. Next, tax payable. Okay, as we have earned the profit, it's our liabilities or it's our responsibility to pay the tax to the government. If we have not paid taxes, okay, which is payable, still we have not paid, it's already incurred, then it's liabilities, I can say. Then accounts payable. If any outstanding bill, if we are there to pay, those all things we can say the accounts payable. Understand? These are the different types of example of liabilities, that is notes payable, next wages payable, then taxes payable. Okay, or last one I can say accounts payable. Hope you guys clear. Accounts payable, notes payable, wages payable, tax payable, and liabilities. These are the kind of liabilities which are involved in the business. Okay, let's try to understand equity. What exactly equity? Equity is the owner's claim on the assets. I told you equity is something, a part of ownership. It is something claim on the assets. As the owner, I need to claim on my asset, that will be the my equity. Okay, so in assets there will be a kind of something part of asset will be there, or on which as an owner I have an I can say the it's my duty, or no, it's my right, I can say. So owners claim on the assets. Some part of assets will be in terms we can quote as an equity. Equity is the owner's claim on the assets. In a business, equity is composed of four parts that either increases or decrease equity. So it's very interesting pictorial format, through that you can easily get. Okay, what is equity? Trying to understand. Okay, here capital. Okay, understand capital, what the owners puts into the business. Okay, we are studying the equity, whatever the owner, what the owners puts in the business. Okay, if something the owner is putting in the business in terms of capital, then our equity get increase. Okay, ठीक है, understand. See, the green arrow mark is there na. If something is we are doing additional in the business in terms of capital, then our equities increase. Next, here try to understand. Minus withdrawals, what the owners takes out of the business. If owners out of the business, out of the capital of the business is something withdrawn by the owners, okay, then obviously capital amount will decrease, so even the decrease of equity can be happen, okay. So here the amount is withdrawn, amount is taken out, okay, for the any kind of use, amount is deducting, amount is I can say minimizing here. So in terms of that, equity get decreases. Then plus any kind of revenue what the company receive for the sales, because as a business even we have to generate the revenues for selling the goods and services. After that we get a revenue. So if we add again a revenue, then automatically our equity get increase, okay. Here equity is getting increased because we have sold the goods and services and we have generated the revenue. So automatically if you add something, okay, in additional form or in terms of revenue, that automatically equity get, I can say, increases. Then let's try to understand this expenses, what the company pays to operate the business, what, because business is equal to the income as well as expenses. So as a company, if I pays the any kind of operating business activities expenses, then automatically the whatever the equity will be there, that will decrease, okay. So try to understand the equity with this example. Whatever the capital owners put minus withdrawals, if the what is something is withdrawing, okay, then again additional of revenue will be done, then minus expenses, whatever the amount will be there, that is equity. And this is a situation in which case the equity get increases, in which case equity get decreases. Here also same, okay. In increases what happen, when the equity will increase, when as an owner if we put something in the business, automatically our equity is going to increases, okay. Next, if we withdraw something, okay, from the business, then automatically the part of I can say the money will reduce and even the equity get decreased, that arrow marks downwards, okay, and this is upward, it shows increase in the equity. Revenues equal to what the company receive for the sales, okay. What it means, okay, if we are generating the income, okay, by with the help of revenue, so automatically our income gets multiplied, okay, through that equity again get increases. Next, expenses, what the company pays to operate the business activities, I can say. If there are many kind of expenditures, I can say, so those expenditure if we have incurred, then automatically our equity get decreases. So let's try to understand. Sometimes accounting equation, sometimes we expand the accounting equation to show all the equity components. This is called expanded accounting equation. This is something wider concepts which you are going to learn. Just have eye on this. Assets is equal to, as I told you, liability, okay, plus what, owner's capital minus owner's withdrawal plus revenue or expenses, as we have discussed in this slides, okay. So here what is there, assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's capital, if any additional then we are going to add, then minus owner's withdrawn is something we withdrawn, that is going to deduct, then additional revenue, if we have made a sale, the revenue will I can generate it minus expenses. So whatever these things will be there, this is equity. So main accounting equation is assets is equal to liability plus equity, but in equity these all things will come, owner's capital minus with owner's withdrawals plus revenue minus expenses. This equation must always be in balance. So whatever the equation is there, that has to be balanced. Try to understand. So main equation is what, asset is equal to liability plus equity. Try to remember, asset is nothing but liabilities plus equity. Equity involves owner's capital minus owner's withdrawal plus revenue minus expenses. Hope you guys can remember this equation. This is very important equation from the point of examination, and I can say this is a base to learn upcoming accounting rules, and even it will helps to pass the journal entries. Okay, so whatever the initial classes are there, those initial classes are very important. So hope you guys are clear with the accounting equation, that is assets is equal to liability plus equity, and equity is equal to owner's capital minus owner's withdrawal plus revenue minus expenses. Hope you guys clear. Thank you guys.